Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amirda Kalasagastaya Sarvamaya Vinasanaya Tirailogyanathaya Sri Mahavishnuve Namaha. Now we can see the chapter on antioxidant. What is meant by antioxidant? Antioxidant is a type of vitamins. Like vitamins, it is a tonic to our body. There are free radicals formed in our body during the digestion and assimilation time. Our body utilizes the oxygens at that time. Free radicals, oxidized free radicals are formed in our body. These free radicals is very danger to our health. The accumulation of free radicals excess will give us diseases. So to remove the free radicals, we want antioxidant tonic. So antioxidant tonic is a must. Daily we need antioxidants. The antioxidant is measured in the form of ORAC, O-R-A-C, ORAC units. Oxygen radicals absorbance capacity. It is called ORAC. So the units antioxidant is ORAC. We need minimum 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants from our food we need. A good, very good food with plenty of fruits, vegetables, raw diets, everything, our body can get maximum 3000 units of ORAC. We can get ORAC 3000 up to 3000 units from the food we are eating. So there is a shortfall of 2000 units of ORAC. This shortfall of ORAC value is the main reason for our diseases. In Tamil it is called Narai Thirai Muppu Vyadi. Narai means grey hair. The hair is becoming grey. Thirai means cataract, eyesight going down. Muppu means old age. Vyadi means diseases. So this Narai Thirai Muppu Vyadi, all these five, grey hair, cataract, old age and diseases are main reason is only the shortfall of antioxidants. If we are getting the shortfall, if we are removing the shortfall by eating 5000 units of ORAC value, then we can avoid this Narai Thirai Muppu Vyadi, grey hair, cataract and the old age and diseases we can avoid. How we can get this antioxidant 5000 units per day? How we can live with youthness always, lifelong? A cow born today is becoming a mother within 1.5 years. That cow is giving birth to a calf. That calf is becoming a mother, that giving a birth to a calf. That calf is becoming a mother and giving birth. And that calf is becoming a mother giving birth. If you are keeping on a line the grandmother cow, mother's cow and daughter cow and granddaughter cow who are becoming a mother and give birth. So all the cows who give birth are equal in age. They are not getting old age. It is not possible to distinguish the age between the grandmother and mother and daughter and granddaughter. All seems to be same age group. So only we can distinguish our grandmother, mother, daughter and granddaughter. We can easily distinguish in human beings. We can easily distinguish because of this shortfall of antioxidants, we are getting old age. So this old age can be avoided. We can live with youth, with youngness, up to death, without becoming a old man, by eating 5,000 units of ORAC, 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants. Our fruits and vegetables contains 100 gram fruits contains 100, 200 units of ORAC. We are saying green tea is the best tea for best herbal with very rich in antioxidants. The green tea, 100 gram green tea is giving only 3,500 units of ORAC value. 100 gram green tea. It is not possible for a person to drink 100 gram green tea. Even though if you are eating 100 gram, we will get only 3,500 units of ORAC. We can drink maximum 1 teaspoon green tea morning and night 2 times. So it is not possible to get 5,000 units by drinking green tea. So we are preparing antioxidant rich ORAC tea. We are preparing this ORAC tea. 1 teaspoon is having more than 2,000, 3,000 units of ORAC. So 2 teaspoon powder is giving you 5,000, 6,000 units of ORAC value. We are preparing and giving you the lowest price in the world, but very rich in antioxidants. Now we can see how we can prepare the ORAC tea. See my slide number 34. The slide number 34 explains the antioxidant value is very rich in the world. 1 gram grapeseed extract contains 16,000 units of ORAC value. The scientists proved 100 gram grapeseed contains 16 million ORAC value. It means 1 gram contains 16,000. So 1 gram 16,000 means if we are eating 4 or 5 seeds, grape seeds, it is sufficient to get our antioxidant. Morning 5 seeds, night 5 seeds, sufficient. 10 seeds will become at least 300 milligram or half gram. This half gram contains 8,000. So the grape seed extract is number 1 in the world for antioxidant. Very, very rich in antioxidant. In olden days, now only we are getting pomegranate, seedless pomegranate. In olden days, the pomegranate is very rich in hard seed. The seeds are very hard, like a stone. Very difficult to bite, like that. That hard stone pomegranates are now also available in our gardens. So the hard stone pomegranates, very, very rich in antioxidants. In pomegranate, there are pomegranate fruits which are like lime, very, very lime taste, very super, not sweet. So the lime taste pomegranate is very, very rich in antioxidant. That seeds are very rich in antioxidants, that fruits we are having. That seeds contains 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs units of ORAC value for 100 grams. For 100 grams, 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs. It means 1 gram contains 8,000 to 10,000 units of ORAC value. 1 gram pomegranate seed extract. Olden days pomegranate, not today. Today the seedless pomegranate hybrid is not having that much of antioxidant value. They are filled with pesticide and fertilizer. We are talking about the pomegranate of olden days with good seeds, hard stone seeds, and very very lime taste. The taste is like lime, like that. Lemon, like lemon. Lemon taste pomegranates are available. That seeds are very rich in antioxidant. So if we are eating 1 gram pomegranate seeds morning and night, we will get 4,000 units of FORAC value. So if you are not having this pomegranate seeds and grape seeds, in our kitchen we are having many seeds which are very rich in antioxidant. For example, clove, C-L-O-V-E, clove. The clove contains 3,000 units of FORAC per gram. The cinnamon bark, approximately the cinnamon bark contains 3,000 units of FORAC value per gram. Then turmeric powder, natural organic, contains 1,000 units of FORAC value per gram. Pepper seed, cumin seed, black cumin seed and ajwain seed, all are very rich in antioxidants. They are having minimum 500 units of FORAC to 1,500 units of FORAC per gram. So if we are combining clove, cinnamon bark, pepper, cumin seed, dried ginger, ajwain, all together, then it will become a very tasty tea. You can prepare this FORAC tea, very tasty. We can add cocoa powder also. It is very rich in antioxidant. It contains 1 gram cocoa powder contains 1,000 units of FORAC value approximately. So we can add cocoa powder also. So we are adding all this together and we are preparing FORAC tea. Even a person in bed, if they are taking FORAC tea 2 to 3 cups per day, they are able to run and walk within 1 month. So my FORAC tea is very famous. My patients are getting very good strength, energy, very active by eating my FORAC value. In Indian rupees, the FORAC tea is only 100 rupees 1 packet. Very, very lowest price. So you can get my FORAC tea by courier, by post. Only 100 gram for 100 gram can cost only 100 rupees, Indian rupees. In US dollar, $2 only. Very lowest price. So you can get that. So the FORAC tea is very, very good, very rich in antioxidants. We have to eat FORAC value 5,000 units. By eating this FORAC tea and by getting 5,000 units of FORAC, we can live up to 300 years with youth and health without getting narai, thirai, muppu, vyadi. So only we are getting grey hair. We are not seeing any crow, black color. Crow is always black color up to death. It is not possible to see grey hair in crow. A parrot, green in color, is always green in color. A goat born today with red color, always up to death red color. There is no change of the change in color. The hair color will not change for any animals from birth to death. Only we are getting grey hair. Because of the loss of shortfall of antioxidants, we are getting grey hair. Many animals are seeing in night, in darkness also they can see. Eagles, they can see in the darkness. Even bullocks, they can run, they can walk in darkness, heavy darkness. They can see in the darkness. So many bats will see in darkness. So all are having good sight, even in they can see objects in darkness, but we are not able to see in darkness. So our sight is very low when comparing to all animals. All animals are having good sight. So the Thirai, the spectacles problem is only for us. No animal is wearing spectacles. Only human beings are wearing spectacles, and where only human beings are getting eye problems. They are going to eye doctor for cataract surgery, everything. This is only due to the shortfall of antioxidants. So the shortfall, if you are feeling from the teenage, we can live without any old age, without getting any old age. Old age diseases we will not get. From filling the shortfalls in antioxidants, we will not get any diseases. Many animals in the forest are not getting asthma, not getting BP, not getting diabetes, not getting cancer. Only human beings are getting asthma, arthritis, BP, cold, cough, diabetes, cancer, jaundice, every disease only for man, because the man is not ready to select his correct food. All living beings are ready to select their correct food, but we are not ready to select our correct food. In a plate, put grass, greens, curry leaves, coriander leaves, and idli, dosa, puri, vadai, sweet, laddu, cake, everything in a plate. And show this plate to a cow, to a goat. They will select only leaves first. They will never eat sweet, idli, chapati. They will take only leaves first. So they are selecting their food correct. We born from monkeys. Human beings came from monkeys. So if you are keeping coconut, banana in a plate, and putting idli, dosa, puri, vadai in a plate, and show it to you a monkey will select banana and coconut first. It will not select all other foods. So all living beings in this world are selecting their correct food. As a human being, as a highly intelligent living being in the world, we are preparing fast foods like potato chips, many wrong foods, oil-fried foods, oil-fried non-vegetarian foods, pizza, noodles, like that. We are not eating natural foods. So all these foods are very dangerous for our health. So if we are selecting the correct food, then we can get very good antioxidant. If we are drinking Warak tea, we will get very good antioxidant, and we can live 300 years with youth and health by eating the correct food, by eating the vitamins, minerals and Warak value. And already we see the quality of fats, very good fats, very rich fats. If we are fulfilling the good fats, essential fatty acids, by eating raw coconut, sunflower seeds, by eating the gingerly seeds, like that. If you are fulfilling very good essential amino acids, the sprouted grams, sprouted green grams, sprouted soya beans, sprouted black grams, like that. If we are eating the sprouted grams contains 50 times to 100 times more vitamins, minerals. So we go to sprout. The sprouted green gram contains 50 times more vitamins, minerals. Some B complex vitamins are 300 times more. So we have to sprout and eat. The sprouted green grams, black grams are very rich and top quality proteins. So we have to eat the rich proteins with very good antioxidant value, very good vitamins and minerals, very good medicinal values. Like that we have to select to eat the correct food. In correct food of a man chapter, we can see how much carbohydrate, how much protein, how much fat we have to eat. Everything we can see in later.